Going on YouTube? So today I am checking out this H&H folding lockpick set. I found it on Temu for like $6, so I'm sure there's plenty wrong with it. Anywho, I was looking for something that I could fit inside of my EDC pouch without taking up as much room as a whole lockpick set. So let's check this out. So it comes with a tension wrench, just one, so hopefully you run across the right lock. Let's see what else we got in here. We have a deep hook, an offset half ball, snake rake, a half ball, and a half diamond. Oh, we got one more. Your L rake or your city rake. So you got 6 tools in a tiny little package, but they're pretty flimsy. I don't know what. Jesus Christ, this is difficult. Looking at the camera and trying to 25 thousandths. So that's pretty standard size. Anywho, I'll go find some locks and we'll see if these are worth the damn. Well, I found one lock that I feel comfortable doing. Not because it's a low security lock, but because I had all my locks in my backpack with a can of bear mace, which sprung a leak. So didn't know, and I had no idea it happened. I was picking locks 1 minute, and the next I was crying like a 5-year-old bitch with a skinned knee. So if anyone has any home remedies of getting mace off of padlocks, go ahead and leave it down below because I can use some information like that. We're going to go ahead and start trying to pick this one. Alright, we're going to start with this offset half ball. There we go. Well, we know it works. We'll try the other picks just to be sure. Next, we'll try this hook. Alright. Try one of the rigs. Try the snake. Not sure how many security pins are in this. I think it's only so. Oh, maybe this lock's just a piece of shit, or these picks are just really good. Even I don't know. They don't feel good. Maybe we're just getting really lucky. Alright, I'm gonna do the L for the city. City break. Got it. Alright. What do we got left? Half ball, half diamond. We're gonna go. Just see if we can zip it. Oh well. You get the idea. It does pick locks. It is better than a bobby pin. I mean, it's not great, but it's like better than a bobby pin. I think with this hook, I'm gonna file it down and just make a short hook out of it because I have been having trouble with that deep of one. But for I don't know, I think it was what, $6 on one of them Chinese things. It's not bad. All right, well, I'm gonna call this one. Till next time.